Good morning, class. So, before we will start our class today, please stand up for our opening prayer. Okay, once again, good morning, class. So, before we will start our discussion, please pick up some trashes of paper under your chair. Okay, done. So, before we will start, I have some rules. So, first, please listen if your teacher is talking. And second is raise your hand if you want to answer. So before we start, let's read the objective first. So first, derive formulas for the surface area and volume solid surface area. Second, solve problems involving the surface areas and volume of solid figures. Third, appreciate the importance of 3D shapes in our daily lives. So I have here some scrambled words and you need to identify what is it. And I'll give you 5 minutes to answer. Okay, done. So let's check your answer. So 1 is cube, correct? Number 2, surface area, correct? 3, we have volume, correct? Number 4, we have rectangular prism, correct? And last, we have pyramid. Okay, very good. So, cube, it has a 4 square faces, or 6 square faces, and it has 6 faces. We can solve its volume by multiplying it. So, we have the formula. Cube equals S cube. Then, the given is 5 cube times 3 cube. So, 5 cube times 3 cubes equals 125 inches. And rectangular prism has the following dimensions 8 by 2 by 4 inches respectively, since the volume and surfaces and its volume. So the surface area of rectangular prism is 2 length width plus 2 with height and plus length and height. So example, copy the 2, so the length is 8, the width is 4. So in this given, 2 times 8 times 4. Copy the plus, and here the width is 4 and the height is 2. So 2 times 4 times 2. And then copy the plus. And this side, the width is 8 and height is 2. So 2 times 8 times 2. So here equals 2 times 8, 8 times 4 equals 32, and 2 times 4 is 8, and 8 times 2 is 16. So let's answer it. So 32 times 2 equals 64. 8 times 2 equals 16, and 16 times 2 is 32. So 16 plus 64 plus 32 equals 112 inches. And the volume is length times width times height. So the length is 8, the width is 4, and the height is 2. So 8 times 4 times 2 equals 64 inches. The pyramid is a name according to its base. A pyramid may be triangular, square, or pentagon depending on its base. So we have the surface area equals base plus n times side divided by 2. Surface area equals 8 squared plus 4 times 8 times 5 divided by 2. So equals 8 plus 4 times 8 times 5 equals 64 divided by 64 plus 80. And 64 plus 80 equals 144 inches. And we have the volume. The given is, the formula is 1/3 times base times height. So 1/3, we have, the base is 8 squared and the height is 3. So 1/3 times 8 equals 60 times 30 divided by 3 equals 64 inches. So for me to check your understanding, I have here a group activity and I'll give you 10 minutes to answer it. Hey, somebody! Okay, time is up. Let's check your answer. So the surface area of cube, the formula surface area equals 6 times 12. The given is 12 centimeter. Surface area equals 6 times 12 centimeter. Then 12 squared centimeter. Then 12 times 12 equals 144 centimeters. So 6 times 144 centimeter is 864 centimeters squared. And number 2 is volume of a cube. So the formula is volume equals side cube. The given is 10 centimeter. Volume is 10 centimeter cube equals 1000 centimeter cube. So you need to 10 times 10 times 10 equals 1000. So I have here an activity and I'll give you 10 minutes to answer this activity. Okay, pass the paper. Okay, let's check your answer. So 1, we have surface area of square pyramid given is base side equals 4 meter. The slant height was 5 meter. So the surface area is s squared plus 2 slant height. So surface area equals 4 squared plus 2 times 4 times 5. So 4 times 4, 16. Then 4 times 5 is 40 times 2. So the answer is 56 meters squared. Number 2 is volume of rectangular container. The given is length 2.5 meter, width 1.8 meter, the height is 1.5 meter. So the solution is length times width times height. So 2.5 times 1.8 times 1.5 equals 6.75 meter cube. Number 3. Surface area and the volume of a rectangular prism. So the given is length 50 cm, width 30 cm, height 20 cm. So the formula is 2 times length times width plus length times height plus width times height. So the surface area equals 2 times 50 times 30 plus 50 times 20 plus 30 times 20. So 50 times 30 equals 1,500. 50 times 20 equals 1,000, and 30 times 20 is 600. So 1,500 plus 1,000 plus 600 equals 1,600. So copy the 2 and then 2 times 1,300 equals 6,200 centimeters squared. And its volume is length times width times height equals 50 times 30 times 20. So the answer is 30,000 centimeters squared. So please stand up for our closing prayer. Okay, goodbye class.